In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Udemy system requirements on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to compare, and how to confirm that your computer and browser are ready for a smooth learning experience. First, open your desktop browser and head to Udemy's Support Center. This is the official help area where Udemy keeps all of its up-to-date guidelines. In the search bar there, type System Requirements. You should see the official article appear right away. You can also access the same article via the official link from the Support Center if it's provided on the Help homepage. Either way, your goal is to land on the dedicated System Requirements page for desktop and laptop use. Once you're on the page, take a moment to scan it from top to bottom. Udemy lays out the minimum specs needed to access courses on a computer. You'll typically see a section that mentions supported desktop browsers in their latest versions. Keeping your browser current is important because newer versions include updates that websites like Udemy rely on. You'll also see a requirement for an internet broadband connection. This ensures videos load reliably and that interactive course features work as intended. Finally, the page will note that these requirements apply to both Windows PCs and Macs, so you can follow the same checklist regardless of your operating system. Many times, the article includes a built-in detector or clear instructions to help you identify which browser and operating system you're using right now. If you see a tool like that, use it to confirm your environment. It may tell you whether your browser is up to date or if you're running an older version. If an update is suggested, follow your browser's update prompt, then refresh the page to recheck. Now compare what the article lists with your own setup. Confirm that your browser is the latest version and that you're on a supported operating system for either Windows or Mac. If you're not sure which version you're on, you can quickly check in your browser's About section and in your computer's system settings. For your connection, make sure you're on a stable broadband network rather than a limited or mobile hotspot, as this affects video playback quality and consistency. That's it. By visiting Udemy's Support Center, opening the System Requirements article, reviewing the supported browsers, broadband needs, and platform compatibility, using the detection tool if available, and comparing everything with your system, you'll know you're ready to learn without technical hiccups.